Hello, you already know who's this. This is your sister Moniz, and welcome in this kitchen. So this video I'm about to show you, it is about my ground beef turkey. So I am prepared this for my beef puff patties. So this is just sit down and watch how I'm preparing my fast for the patty. But you can only, usually in my house they eat it with taco, anything you want to eat it, so you can use it. But this is, I made it for the patty I'm about to make. And this is all the ingredient: hot pepper, Haitian spice, onion, this is tomato, this is tomato and with a little bit ketchup on it, tomato sauce, and with some honey mustard come with it. So, and this is my ground turkey, and this is all my dry ingredient. In the white plate you see, it is just every onion powder, garlic powder, little bit paprika. So now in this part I put oil and then I fry the onions. So I fry the onions, all those 2 onions. You can use any color of onion you want. And after I fry the onions, just sit and watch what I'm going to use. So after I let it fry, so right now it's time to add the meat. I'm adding the meat and I'm going to mix it. You got to mix it right away, otherwise the meat gonna be like, it's gonna stick together and it's not gonna be the way you want it. So that's why you got to mash it right when you put in the pot. And I squeeze the lemon juice, half lemon juice, I squeeze it on it, and I put 1 cup of Haitian épices. Then after that I'm going to mix it. So I'm not gonna put salt, family, because all my dry ingredients, this is 1 vegetable goya as Maggi you can use, and all my dry powder, so garlic powder, onion powder, and adobo and paprika. So that's what it is, and I'm mixing it very well so my meat can have a good taste. And this is a little bit soy sauce I put on it, but it's optional. You don't have to put it if you don't want to, but I do. So yes, but usually when I make this food, if you somebody who don't eat salt, you have high blood pressure, those stuff is not really for you. So I put the tomato sauce I have mixed a little bit with ketchup, because I like when you have a little bit flavor. It's not too sweet, but I like the tomato ketchup give it a little release the flavor. And now I put the bell pepper on it, and all the green bell pepper, green and yellow pepper, I put it on it at last minute. So not really at last minute, because I'm going to let it cook a little bit more. And then voila, family, after we let it cook a little bit more, that's it. Your meat is done. Your meat, it is done. And I'm wait for the next video. I already have a video about my puff patty in this channel. I just make the fast. So next time when I make anything, I can make the lasagna. If I make the lasagna, I make it the same way. So I don't change anything. So except I might be use beef, but usually in my house I don't really use beef or ground beef. I use the turkey. So I mix it, and family, you should taste this. It is really tasty, and this is what gonna give your patty a better taste. Because if your meat, it's really good, it's really tasty, then your patty is gonna be tasty. Voila, family, and I just transfer it to this bowl right here. And do not forget to like, subscribe, share, family, bring friends to this channel.